So, welcome to a new video of With a Thing. So, I'm the person who is behind the screen capturing all the POVs and who has recently brought the new Duke 390. So, once I started the channel, so things was actually more related to just putting out pure sound videos and all. But later, with the immense support, all the views, all the comments, and seeing how the channel is growing, I came to a point where I couldn't just stop or I couldn't just upload a POV, pure sound POV video and be more reliable to the video or to the channel. So I was getting a lot of comments regarding how does the bike feel, how is the suspension setup, or how is the power, how is the tire, and all that sort of things. So me actually replying for every comment is actually a fun thing because when I wake up in the morning and see a comment, and it's a thing that motivates me to actually get on the bike, learn about different things, try to learn it, try to improve myself. So all that motivation come from each of the comments and likes, all the subscribers. So that I have to appreciate because when I started this channel, I didn't knew I will get 1,000 or 2,000. Now it's a 3,000 subscribers. It's immense what I feel. So and that is the reason why I took a step to actually push forward myself and talk in front of the camera. To be frank, this is not so random thing for me. This is the first time actually I'm speaking facing or like to a camera, and it's awkward, but still, yeah. So I wanted to clear things about who's behind with the thing and what is this channel about, what is the future of this channel, will it just be on for pure sound videos, things like that. So I thought me coming in front of the camera and explaining what will be the future, what I will be doing, and what will be the content in this channel, I think that will give a more clear idea to the viewers and the subscribers who is going to subscribe or who is yet subscribed. So I also thought, okay, explaining about after doing a pure sound videos, I will be actually riding the bike around for 200-300 kilometers anyway. So everyone will be asking me mostly the same comments that how does the bike feel, which is this place, what like where is this, how is it like compared to that and this, how is the Hornet, how does it compare to the RTR, or how is the Duke. So I thought like replying to every comment. Instead of that, I thought, okay, fine, I can actually get the comments and I can actually make a video. So a lot of people who have the same comments, because under a comment I can see that everyone is liking to show that okay, they too have that doubt or need clarification on whatever it is. So I thought, yeah, so more content will be for this channel will be of course pure sound videos and more not technical reviews, because for that actually a lot of YouTubers are there who gives a BHP number, who take what the tire is, all that, and how does it perform, all that. It's actually there in YouTube. A lot of people are doing that. So I don't want to do that. Instead of that, if if you guys have a particular doubt on a particular setup on a bike, or if something like if you guys can post me in a comment, I'll be sure making a video on that. So and yeah, and more about this channel, I'll be uploading more videos frequently because things are not always straightforward. reality, hitting reality, all that stuff. So I was also pacing around, and now I'm back. And so stay tuned for more videos, all the good traveling routes, all the tips, how to do rev matching. So I was getting a lot of comment to explain how to do rev matching, how does I do rev matching. So that video will be coming. My review about the Duke will be coming, and me and my friend is actually in a hunt for an adventure bike. So I have been riding Himalayan, the new Adventure 390X, then the Scrambler 400X. So all that I've been riding, and yeah, I'll be posting my comments and pure sounds, and also like which bike we choose and why. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and bye.